Hey Skipsy,
What?
did you hear the news?
What?
Today is the pipeliner's birthday, the smoking pipeliner's birthday. Tade, also known as Tade.
Really?
Yeah. Today is the pipeliner's birthday.
That's nice.
A pipeliner. Do you like to celebrate your birthday with a party? Do you like having parties on your birthday?
Always.
Well, we're going to have a party. In honor of Tade's birthday, we're going to have a party with midget barkers and dancing girls.
Probably
and
trapeze artist
livestock.
and a hip hop DJ.
And a special performance by John Dacre.
Ooh, that's right. John Dacre's coming in.
That's going to be amazing.
Yeah. For our party that we're having in honor of the pipeliner's birthday.
Sounds like fun.
Hope you have a great birthday, Smoking Pipeliner.
Yeah, pipeliner. I hope you have a good one. And we're going to see you very soon at the Chicago Pipe Show. Happy birthday!
Thanks.
Bye-bye now.